The color of this bike. I'm sure it's going to spark a lot of debate among everyone. Some will like it, some won't. With an upgrade budget of around $14,000, the owner really truly loves this color. When it comes to color preference, there's no right or wrong. The part that made us wait the longest for this bike was these CNC rear sets. Brothers, does anyone know how much these CNC rear sets actually cost? Go. Oh. Hello everyone. Today I'm bringing you a bike with an extremely high fun factor. This Ducati Hypermotard 950 SP right beside me. This one is actually the SP version, equipped with Erlin's suspension front and rear and Brembo calipers. This version has a special colorway, and the SP graphics look exceptionally striking on the fuel tank. The owner had already upgraded a few parts before coming to us, like an Erlin's steering damper and an SC Project exhaust. However, the owner wanted to entrust this bike to us at MTZ for a complete full bike build, and the budget given to us was very generous. Brothers, let's see how we at MTZ upgrade this Hypermotard 950 SP. First, let me leave you guys with a cliffhanger. This video was originally supposed to be a build episode for this Hypermotard 950, but it turned into an MTZ certified pre-owned feature instead. What exactly happened? I'll explain everything at the end. Don't try to take me to a disco. So many tears watering. Brothers, for this Hypermotard 950 SP, it took 3 months, and we are finally done with the upgrades. For this bike, over those 3 months, most of our time was actually spent waiting for parts, because some of the components weren't in stock domestically. We had to order them from Italy and other countries and wait for shipping. So the process along the way was quite long. As for the color of this bike, I'm sure it will spark a lot of debate. Some will like it, some won't. To each their own. Personal taste varies. Oh, the owner just loves this shade of blue. He told me he owns a Yamaha R1M, which is also mostly blue. He didn't want his Hypermotard to look like every other cookie-cutter red Ducati. I just like this color. So, as the saying goes, money can't buy my personal happiness. This bike has an impressive list of upgrades too, with an upgrade budget close to $14,000. Let's talk about the brakes first. For the brake and clutch master cylinders, we chose Brembo RCS Corsa Corta pumps and clutch lever, so the left and right sides match nicely. For the brake fluid, we used active, blue brake fluid, paired with Frando clear small reservoirs, to highlight even more of the blue theme. Even the master cylinder bolts were upgraded to STAHLBUS titanium bleed screws. The entire bike runs HEL braided steel lines, and all the hose fittings are anodized blue. The front setup uses a crossover line layout. The wheels, its shoes, are also a custom color. OZ racing wheels in blue, paired with Brembo GP4-RS. Silver nickel-plated monoblock brake calipers. Up front, the master cylinder is a 19 RCS radial pump, paired with GP4-RS calipers. Moving further back, we have an STM dry clutch setup. You guys have probably seen STM dry clutches quite a bit, but mostly, they are commonly seen on the Panigale V4. They have them for the Hypermotard too, though the usual Hypermotard colors are red and silver. But this bike is different. It's a custom anodized color. The part that made us wait the longest for this build was these CNC rear sets. Brothers, does anyone know how much these CNC rear sets actually cost? When I ordered this part, I honestly didn't expect the price of these rear sets to be so high. Looking further back, Frando fluid reservoir with clear blue tubing. At the rear is an OZ racing wheel, plus large wheel nuts on both sides, all chosen in a vibrant blue color. For the drivetrain upgrades this time, a blue drive chain with an EVR carbon fiber pressure plate, plus a blue pressure plate cover. The overall color theme is entirely blue, and of course, we couldn't skip this. All the titanium bolts across the bike were also selected in blue. In fact, throughout this video, I've repeatedly emphasized one single word: blue. The owner really truly loves this color. When it comes to colors, there's no right or wrong. It's purely down to personal preference. Oh right, one more thing. The Hypermotard originally came with a set of handguards. After upgrading to these master cylinders, the stock handguards could no longer be used. So this time, we custom-fitted CNC bar ends for him, which were newly designed by us here at MTZ. Naturally, the color choice was still blue. Brothers, this video was originally meant to present a custom upgrade showcase for you guys. But the owner contacted me just a few days before I posted this video. He told me that after the bike arrived home, he only rode it once. Due to some special personal circumstances, he can no longer ride this beloved machine. So he decided to sell off several motorcycles under his name, all at once. The owner was extremely reluctant to part with it, and since we knew the condition of this Hypermotard, 950 inside and out, we bought the bike right back. So this custom build showcase suddenly turned into a certified pre-owned showcase video. To the audience in front of the screen, if you are also interested in this Hypermotard 950, leave your thoughts down in the comments section.